Hello, in this video I'm going to perform a benchmark test on VIVO V60 Lite and MOTOROLA ThinkPhone 25. Okay, for this test I'm going to perform a benchmark using the Geekbench 6 app and also the AnTuTu Benchmark. When it comes to the Geekbench 6 app, I will perform a CPU and also a GPU benchmark. Let's begin with this app. So I will launch it. I need to click on accept. In here you can see some information about both devices. Currently the CPU benchmark is selected, so let's run the test. I'll see you in a second once I have the results. Alright, so we have results on both devices. Let's begin with the VIVO. You can see that single core score is 1032 points, multi-core score is 2982 points, while on the Motorola we have 1057 when it comes to the single core score, and when it comes to the multi-core it's 2990. So you can see that those results are really close to each other. A difference in for example, when it comes to the single core in 20 points, it's so small difference that I can say that it's not even here. Same thing with the multi-core score. Those results are almost the same. Let's scroll down a little. You can see some system information and also the CPU information currently on the screen. So we can take a look. Also the memory information and single core performance. We have two new things right in here. We have the integer score and the floating point score. On the VIVO it's 1073 and 959, while on the Motorola it's 1096 and 987. And once again, those results are practically the same. So small differences that I can say that they are not even here. So let's scroll down. You can see some other values right now on the screen. Okay, now the multi-core performance. On VIVO, integer score is 2921, floating point score 3100. On Motorola, 2922 and 3122. And again, really close to each other. So when it comes to the CPU benchmark, results are almost the same. In here we can take a look on the rest of those values. And now let's perform a GPU benchmark. Okay, so let's run it, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, we have the results for our GPU. On VIVO, GPU OpenCL score is almost 2500, while on Motorola it's 2600. So again, really similar to each other. Difference in 100 points is really small difference, so I can easily say that it's almost the same. Now let's launch the benchmark using the AnTuTu Benchmark, so I will launch the app. Okay, and let's click on Test Now on both devices. The process will start. It's going to take a little bit, so again, I'll see you once it's done. Okay, and now we have the results from the AnTuTu Benchmark. You can take a look on the points. This time, VIVO is better when you take a look on the overall score. And for example, on the GPU, we have 2 times more points than on the Motorola. But for example, when it comes to the last value, Motorola was a little bit better. I can also expand each of those things, so we can take a look. That's the CPU. Now the GPU. Now the memory. And now the last thing, so you can take a look. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.